I just want to drink some pop and smoke some weed.
Tsunamis cause other tsunamis disaster.
I mean, for all we know, the fucking Lakers could have just won, and that's the reason why all this is happening.
Hole in Franco's front yard, sinkhole. Every single time I turn on the news, sinkhole in South America, a bunch of South Americans getting sucked into the ground.
Sinkhole de Mayo.
Sinkhole de Mayo, that's why it's named that, because sinkholes happen in the summertime.
It's not wildfires, it's not earthquakes, it's not sinkholes. I think I know what it is.
Let's hear it.
I think it's the apocalypse.
What?
I'm serious, boys. It's all in here. In the book of Revelations.
You took my Bible?
Well, just hear me out and you tell me that what I'm describing isn't what's going on right now. And the skies shall open up, and the light of the Lord shall shine down, and those of good heart shall be brought into my kingdom of heaven. That's the rapture. Those are the gigantic beams of blue light. And there will be a great mountain burning in fire. I mean, the Hollywood Hills are literally engulfed in flames as we sit here right now.
The Hollywood Hills ain't no mountain. It's a hill. Takes about 10 minutes to get across that motherfucker with no traffic.
Cold water.
I take Laurel Canyon.
Cahuenga.
Boys, can I just
I do
fucking
Laurel
finish?
Canyon. I love Laurel Canyon.
And out of the pit rose a great red dragon having 7 heads, that old serpent called the devil and Satan, which deceiveth the whole world, was released unto the earth.
I love that dude. He's from Where the Wild Things Are.
It's a little bullshit.
It's not bullshit.
You want to know something else, Jay? If this is the end of the world and all the good people died, what you're saying is Seth, me, Jonah, Craig, and Danny are a bunch of assholes.
I'm straight up lovable, son.
Yeah. And if this really is the apocalypse, you're here too. So that means you're just as shitty as the rest of us. Doesn't feel too good, does it?